You eating toilet paper? Is that what this is, Jacob? Jacob, hey, look. Is that what this is right here? Is this toilet paper that you're eating? Why are you eating toilet paper? I don't want any.
It's not a democracy, Jay. I am Pharaoh, you are Jew. Now go do your job and build me a pyramid. Everybody's waiting on you.
Let's stop.
I actually am Jewish. Oh, great. Happy Hanukkah. Also, so go part the Red Sea, Moses. Clean it like you mean it.
That is not okay.
By the way,
that is not okay, Jacob. Nope, I have it. It's right here now. Get down. You're not going to climb up on the windows. Look how happy you are you have toilet paper. I don't want any. You should use some of that toilet paper to clean your face.
hi, Janie, it's Jason. Janie, come on, spouse. Jesus. Vanderbeek.
Okay, no more. You're not going to tear up toilet paper. No more. All done. No. All done. All done. It's all gone. You still have all kinds right there.